To paint on your clear tier, you'll need a bowl with some boiling water and a plate over the top, some cocoa butter to melt and edible dust colours, a piece of kitchen roll to dry your paintbrush, and a paintbrush for painting, a dry paintbrush for blending the colours, and your clear tier. So here I've got an 8-inch round, 6-inch high clear tier, and I've already painted some flowers. I'm just going to add a few more details to the stems and the leaves. So here I've mixed some white and some green with a little bit of yellow and my cocoa butter to make a paint. And I'm just going to turn the tier so that I can see it as I paint. And collecting some paint on my paintbrush, I'm just going to brush it onto the stems of my flowers just to add a little bit of detail. And then using a little bit of darker paint, you can add some shading and more detail to your picture. And then if you get your dry brush, you can blend those colours together. And then you can add more details in to finish your design until you're happy with how it looks.